Welcome to our channel, where we explore the wonderful world of meditation and mindfulness. In this video, we will dive deep into the numerous benefits that these practices can bring into your life. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced practitioner, the transformative power of meditation and mindfulness can enhance your well-being, reduce stress, and bring you inner peace. So let's get started. What exactly is meditation? Meditation is a technique that allows you to train your mind to focus and redirect your thoughts. It has been practiced for thousands of years in various cultures and has gained popularity in recent times due to its numerous benefits. Mindfulness, on the other hand, is the act of paying attention to the present moment with openness and non-judgment. Both practices go hand in hand and complement each other in fostering a sense of awareness and tranquility. Let's explore some of the incredible benefits that meditation and mindfulness can offer. First and foremost, these practices have been shown to reduce stress and anxiety. In our fast-paced modern lives, stress has become a common companion, impacting our physical and mental health. Meditation and mindfulness provide a refuge from this stress, allowing us to find calmness and clarity amidst the chaos. Alongside stress reduction, meditation and mindfulness have been linked to improved emotional well-being. Regular practice can help manage emotions, increase self-awareness, and promote a positive outlook on life. By cultivating mindfulness, we can develop a greater capacity to handle challenging situations and respond to them with equanimity. Another fascinating benefit is the impact of meditation and mindfulness on our physical health. Research has shown that these practices can lower blood pressure, boost the immune system, and improve sleep quality. By reducing the harmful effects of stress on our bodies, meditation and mindfulness promote overall health and well-being. In addition to the physical benefits, meditation and mindfulness have a profound effect on our cognitive abilities. Regular practice has been shown to enhance focus, attention, and memory. By training our minds to be present, we can improve our productivity and performance in various areas of life. Furthermore, meditation and mindfulness can foster a deeper connection with ourselves and others. These practices promote empathy, compassion, and a greater sense of connectedness to the world around us. By cultivating these qualities, we can improve our relationships and create a more harmonious and compassionate society. Are you ready to experience the remarkable benefits of meditation and mindfulness in your own life? Remember, these practices require consistency and patience. Start by dedicating a few minutes each day to sit in stillness, observe your breath, and be fully present. Over time, you'll notice the positive changes unfolding within you. In conclusion, meditation and mindfulness offer a wide range of benefits for your overall well-being. From reducing stress and anxiety to improving emotional well-being, physical health, cognitive abilities, and fostering connection, these practices have the potential to transform your life. So embrace the power of meditation and mindfulness and embark on a journey of self-discovery and inner peace. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of the benefits of meditation and mindfulness. We hope this video has inspired you to incorporate these practices into your daily routine. Remember, meditation and mindfulness are not quick fixes, but lifelong journeys of self-discovery and growth. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more content on meditation, mindfulness, and personal development. Also, hit the notification bell to never miss an update. We would love to hear your thoughts and experiences with meditation and mindfulness. Please share them in the comments section below. Let's create a supportive community where we can learn from each other. If you have any questions or topics you'd like us to cover in future videos, feel free to reach out to us. We're here to assist you on your journey to inner peace and well-being. Once again, thank you for watching. Remember to take a moment each day to pause, breathe, and reconnect with yourself. The benefits of meditation and mindfulness are within your reach, and they can transform your life in ways you never imagined. May you find peace, joy, and fulfillment on this beautiful path.